Which part? Which question?
The one that we have to do the division method of the prime factorization.
Okay, wait, let me check. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna open the portal and I'll check your answer sheet only.
Okay, ma'am.
I cannot see it, Humaira. Have you submitted? Did you submit it?
I think I didn't.
Okay, that's why I cannot see it here.
Should I send it right now?
If you have, okay, how much time is it going to take?
I think like a minute.
Okay, sure. Submit it so that I can check it and tell you, clear the doubts.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let me check. Okay, I cannot see it yet. Maybe it will take some time to get updated. We can continue with we'll start with the frac. Okay, you send it to, okay. I thought you uploaded it on the portal. Okay, I'll check. Wait. Okay, I got it. Give me 1 second. All right. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you talking about the last one? Which one are you talking
Yes.
about?
The in the second one, B and C one. It was I took 2 minute doubts.
You took?
Uh, I took so many doubts with my mother to help.
Okay, okay. All right. So this one and this one, right?
Yes.
All right, give me one more second. Okay. Let me check it first whether you've got it right or not. Okay. So, you divide 1 0 and what did you divide one? Okay, okay, wait. Yes, this is correct. Now you're dividing.
I just remembered I divided 175 with 3.
Hmm. Yeah, so this is correct. This one is correct.
Ma-
If you divide 27 with 3, what should you get? You'll not get 3, you'll get 9, right? 27 and 3. So 3 nines are 27. So here the number should be 9, okay? Then you're dividing it with 3. That's how you're getting 3. Okay, so just one correction. Instead of 3, it's going to be 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait, not 9 here. Give me one second. So this, it's going to be 3. Like this is correct, but here you should have written 9. Okay,
Ma-
27 divided by 3 will give you 9, and then you're dividing 3. So this part is correct, but like here you just make the correction. Okay. Tell me once you're done. Okay.
yes, I am done.
Okay. Now, what, like, where were you finding it difficult? Were you like forgetting the process? What should you do next? Is that where you were having a doubt?
I didn't know which to which I should divide.
Okay. So basically, let me tell you. When if like this and this is written, so what does this means? That I'm dividing these two numbers. So 1050 is divided by 2 and the answer is written here. Okay, then I have to simplify this number. Now, if it's up, like it's up to me which number I should choose. If I'm like, if you're doing it like this, there is no number after this, then it's up to you which you should, like which number you should divide it with. Okay. But in this case, what you're going to do is you will divide it with, so you divided this and you got this. So what you should divide, you will divide this and this. Okay. Wait, give me one second. Let me erase this first. So first you're dividing 2 and 1050, but 1050 wasn't given to you, right? So okay, let me tell you the relation. So if it's written like this, that means it's division, but if it's written like this, that means you have to multiply. Okay, now what do I mean by that is this box, like nothing was given to you in this box, right? It was just a box. So what you're going to do is the next number is given to you. So what you're going to do is you will multiply this with this. Okay? Because what's the opposite of division? It's multiplication, right? So if we are dividing like this, so the opposite, if we have to do the opposite, we multiply. So if you have to find the number that's up, like in the box above, you multiply it with the smaller prime number that's given here. Okay? Till here, is it
Like
clear?
first,
Mm-hmm.
first I did like
Like?
2
Mm-hmm.
multiply by 525. I did that.
Correct. Correct.
Then
So that's. Mm-hmm.
yes, then I did 5 multiply by, I mean 525 multiply by 5. Then I got,
Hmm.
I think, 175.
You must have divided.
No, I just multiplied it.
You multiplied. If you multiply 525 with 5, you'll get a really big number.
Oh, okay. Yes, I remember. I divided it.
Yes, but 525 you'll divide it with, wait. So 525 times 2, you're getting 10. Give me 1 second. You're getting 1050 here, right? So next you'll have to find this number. So what you're going to do is you will divide. Let me first check, then I'll tell. 1050 and this I'm getting confused with. Because if we divide 525 and 5, we're getting a different number. So 525
I give you one
divided.
second.
Okay, yeah. Like, how are we getting 3? That's the question. We are getting 3, that's correct.
Uh, I think when I divided it, I got 105.
Yes. Yes, that's the thing. If you divide it, you'll get 175 times 3. So basically, you have to divide these two. 520. No, wait. Yes, I got it. Okay, so Humaira, what you're going to do is because 3 wasn't given here, right? So you divide these two numbers. Okay? Basically, division is happening if here, so 525, and you divide these two numbers, then you're getting 3. Okay? Because if you think of it like that, when you divide two big numbers, you'll get a smaller number. Okay? A smaller number like 2 or 3. So when you're dividing these two, then you will get 3. 525 and 175.
But I
Mm-hmm.
think, wait a second. I think I did. I just remembered I divided 3 with 525.
And but like 3 is not there, right? There's a box here.
Uh, yes. But I just,
So,
I
okay,
tried,
hit and
I
trial
tried,
method. Do you need a minute?
no,
Okay. So, basically, like you were trying to find out the answer. So you multiplied 175 with 2, then you multiplied with 3, and then you got the answer. So you filled in 3. Is that how you did it?
Um, Wait, I just did. First, I tried 500, 5 divided by 525. Then I
Hmm.
got 105. So I give up
Correct.
on it. Then I
Yes.
divided 525. Then I got 175 at the question. As the question.
Okay. So, let me tell. So that method will also be correct. How it will be correct is because 525. Let me change the color. Yes. So 525 and 175 are big numbers. Okay. And you don't know how to simplify them yet. This haven't been taught to you. So what you can do is use hit and trial method. So what you can do is like write the table of 175. So 175 ones is something. So like you'll get 3 is this much. So then your answer here will be 3. So what you did was also correct. Okay.
Yes, but actually, my
Mhm.
my mother also told me to do that, like
Hmm.
525 divided by 175. But it
Hmm.
it seemed too hard, so I tried with 5, then with 3.
Yes, so that is what I'm saying that if you can't divide, use multiplication, like the opposite of it. So here, what we were dividing with this, right? But when I say multiplication, you're not going to multiply these two. You will take these two because what we also know that if we are doing this, this means multiplication, right? I just told you that this means multiplication,
Yes,
right? So you can do that. Uh, But in this case, like here, what you can you so if you want to find this box, you divide these two, okay? And if you want this box, you multiply these two if this number is not given. Let me let me share a different screen. Give me 1 second. Tell me once you can see the screen.
yes, I can see.
Okay. So if I have to find this box, give me 1 second. Yes. If I have to find this box, I multiply these two. Okay. So this is where multiplication is happening. Same way here also, you can multiply these two. You can multiply these two numbers to find the answer. Okay. 1 and 2. These two numbers you can multiply to find the answer here. Okay. And for the for this one, if you want to find this box and these two numbers are given, you will divide. Okay. So just make sure you can use a pencil and write it down that if you're going this also, there's division happening like this, and if you're going this way, division is happening. But if you're going cross, you will multiply. Okay, if you're going in the opposite direction like this, you will multiply. But if you're going straight like this or straight like this, you will have to divide. Does that make sense?
Yes,
Okay, let me write it properly. Let me write it properly and you can write it. So if we are going this way, if you're going across, basically the opposite direction is multiplication. So when you're going opposite, you multiply. And if you're going straight like this, or you're going down like this, between these two numbers, you divide. Okay?
okay, ma'am.
So just remember this and you'll be able to solve it.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
Uh, no.
Write it somewhere so you can remember it.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, then ma'am.
Okay. Now let's continue with fractions.
I think we have to do exercise one, right?
Yes. Did I start fraction in this only? Give me 1 second. Where have we done fraction? Oh, okay. All right. So today we will start with the first exercise and we will try to finish that exercise also. Okay. Before that, real quick, let's just am I audible, Mitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I was saying before we move on to the next exercise, did you try these? This also I gave you as the homework. Did you do these?
I no, I
Okay,
forgot to
okay.
do it.
Give it a try in the next class. Okay. Sorry, like after this class, solve these and then tell me if you have a doubt or not. Okay.
Now,
So next the next
uh,
topic that we have. Mm-hmm. Yes.
can I do it like some days after, like because I need to do a lot of my holiday homework. There's some of them,
Oh,
and
okay,
I'm too
okay.
busy.
Okay, okay, sure. Okay, so I was saying that this is the next topic is fractions on a number line. Have you done a number line before? Do you know what is a number line? No? Do you know what is a number
No,
line?
no, I didn't understand.
Okay, okay. So we'll do it again. I'm just going to share the different screen. Okay. So we are on the first exercise. Basically, we have got fractions on a number line. So a number line is, as the name suggests, a line which has got number on it. Okay. So a simple number line is something. Give me 1 second.
Do you mean a number line means like in when I was like in third class, I learned like ray or something, the lines names like that.
No, 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 no. That is the classification of line. That's like line segment, uh, line, or ray. A ray has a starting point but no ending point. A line segment has one starting and one ending point. And a line is just a line, no starting and ending point. That you're talking about?
Yes.
No, no, no. In on a number line, what we do is we represent numbers. Okay, so it starts with 0, and on this we can have 1, like as many numbers as we want. So I'm writing till 5. Okay, so if I ask you, Mera, can you tell me what is 2 plus 2 on a number line? So we can do these operations on a number line, addition, subtraction, multiplication, like this. So if I say, can you tell me what's 2 plus 2 on a number line? So what you're going to do is you will start with 2 and you will move two spaces forward. So 1 and 2. And where am I stopping? I'm stopping at 4. So my answer will be 4. Okay?
Yes, I did it. Yes, I know.
Yes, you must have done I think you start your addition and subtraction on a number line only, so that it's easier for kids to understand. You might have done it in uh very early classes when you must have started learning addition and subtraction. But this is basically a number line, a line which has numbers on it. Okay, and you do either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or simply they'll just ask you that can you mark where is 3. So what you're going to do is you'll just make a number line and you will circle 3. Okay, so you just circle 3, like here is 3. Okay, now for this one we have fractions on a number line. So number line is same, but instead of 1 2 3, like instead of these whole numbers we will write down fractions. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
is it clear till here?
Yes.
Okay, now let's draw a number line. Yes, so the number line will start from 0 and it will go till 1. Now the thing is, we know the counting as 0 1 2 3, but in fractions the counting is from 0 to 1. Like if for this number line it's 0 to 1, so we will have to write 10 digits here. Now do you know what comes between 0 and 1?
Between 0 and
Yeah,
1.
that sounds like not correct. Yeah, that sounds incorrect, right? Because your counting goes like 0 1 2 and 3. But between these, you also have small sections, okay, or small portions. So let me draw that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. I'll make one here, okay? Let me remove the remaining line. So give me 1 second. All right. Now give me 1 more second. Now we have to write down what's between this, like what's between the numbers. So between 0 and 1, the denominator, because it's fraction, so we will have some denominator. So the denominator, what should the denominator be? Think of it.
The
Wait,
uh,
let's take. Mhm.
yes, continue, ma'am.
Okay. So let's say I want to represent 2 by 3. Okay. Let's take that. How do you represent 2 by 3? And it's not necessary that there are 10 divisions in between. Let's represent 2 by 3. So if I have to go 2 by 3, see, it's very easy. The counting will be same. So 1 by 3. So your normal counting goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. But when it comes to fraction, you will put the same denominator. Okay. So if the denominator is 3, so it's going to be 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, and so on. Like, is it clear? If I have to write it, if I have to write the denominator as 3, you just write the normal counting like 1 2 3 4 and so on, but in the denominator, because it's a fraction, right? So there has to be some denominator. The denominator will be 3. Okay, so you will get 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3. Now let's talk about this 1. What's the role of this 1? Okay, so if I have to write 3 by 3, so basically remember, when both, if I have, whenever there are two same numbers, what do we get after dividing?
Um,
If I divide 3 and 3, 3 divided by 3,
get 1.
yes. So whenever there is written 3 by 3, this will be equal to 1. Okay, two same numbers, your answer will be 1. Okay, so if this is written 1, that means two same numbers are there. Let's say 6 by 6 will also be 1, 8 by 8, 7 by 7. So this is what it means. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, so if I have to, yes, so if I have to draw a number line, and like if I have to show 2 by 3, so I will start with 0, then I'll write 1 by 3, I'll write 2 by 3, 3 by 3. And is there a problem, Humaira? Do you need a minute?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And whenever you're writing the same number, so here 3 by 3 you write is equal to 1. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, after 3 by 3, you will have 4 by 3, 5 by 3, then you have 6 by 3. Now, if you divide 6 and 3, what will you get?
Mean I still learning.
That means 6 divided by 3, like this. What will you get?
3.
No. In how many times does 6 comes in the table of 3?
Uh, 2.
Yes, so your answer will be 2. Okay, so 6 times 3 will be 2. So remember, this was 1, 3 upon 3 is 1. So 6 by 3 is 2. Okay, all right.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I had to mark 2 by 3, right? So I will locate 2 by 3 and just circle it. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
is it clear so far?
Mm, little
We'll
confused.
do more. Okay, we'll do more questions, but is 2 by 3 this example clear? Like you're
Yes.
understanding or you're not able to understand?
Understanding some of it. Some of it.
Okay, okay. We'll take a different number. Now, let's say I have to locate 5 by 6. So, first, you're going to tell me, first I'll make a number line. Okay,
Ma'am.
give me 1 second. Now, what should I write? Like, how should I write it?
Uh, start by 0.
Yes. So, let me write 0. Then,
And just like the example, like 2 by 3. Like 1 by
yes,
6 and
very
2 by
good.
6, 3
Yes.
by
So you can also write 0 by 6 because it's the same thing. 0 by 6 will give you 0. So you can write either 0 by 6 or you can just write 0. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Sorry. Now what after 1 by 6?
2 by 6.
Hmm. Continue.
Then 3 by 6, 4 by 6,
Yes.
and 5 by 6,
Yes.
and the last 6 by 6.
Yes. And should I write something else also here?
Yes. 6
Hmm.
by 6 like is equal to 1.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Now, the next step will be to mark this number. Okay, so where is 5 by 6? 5 by 6 is here. So I'll just make a circle. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so you are understanding it now. All right, you can draw this. Let me erase this here. Give me 1 second. I'll show you what to write. Okay. So you can start with this, writing this, write this heading, show this addition so that you remember what a number line is, okay?
Should I also write that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, like that example too?
Yes, that's the question. So write that question first and then draw the number line.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, done, ma'am.
Okay, write this down also.
Okay, ma'am.
First, you can write down these two and then you can write this at the like on the side or somewhere.
Okay, ma'am. Then, ma'am.
All right. Now, now till so far we have only marked one number on the number line. What you can do is you can also mark two to three numbers at the same time. Okay. Sometimes they'll give you two numbers, they'll give you three numbers that you can mark. And remember, it's the same thing because the denominator will be same. Okay. They will not give you that mark 2 by 3. Then they're saying mark 5 by 7 on the same number line. They'll give you the numbers with the same denominator. Okay. So let's say in this question only, it was given to you that represents, sorry, let's take in this one, uh, that represent 5 by 6, represent 5 by 6 and 7, and let's say 2 by 6 also. Okay, so you already have 2 by 6 here, you already have 5 by 6 here, so you will just also mark 2 by 6 on the same number line. No need to make a different number line. Okay. Until and until and unless the denominator is different, you don't have to make a different number line. Okay.
Ma'am.
Unless it's mentioned in the question that make different number lines, then do make different number lines. Otherwise, this you can do it like this. Okay. So just add this also. Mark 5 by 6 and 2 by 6. Just add and 2 by 6 and mark 2 by 6 also in your note.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, can you give me a minute?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's do this question. This is one of the example 2, okay? But no need to open the book, otherwise you'll be able to see the answers. We'll solve it here and then at the end you can take this example, okay? It's an important example. Okay. So basically, they are saying that which point on the given number line indicates the following. So they have given, see, one more thing, all the denominators are same. So it's on the same number line. Okay. So they have given a number line and they have given the alphabets. Like this point is A, like O is uh, point O is 0. Point A will be something, point B will be something, and point H is 1. So we have to find which of them represents 3 by 8, which is 5 by 8, and which is 7 by 8. Okay. So now if this is 0 and this is 1, what does this mean? What will be the value of 1 here?
Uh, Means
Hmm. Think about it. We just did it. How will you get 1?
uh
Think. Hmm. We also made a note about it. When will we get 1?
like 4 by 4 will be 1.
But yes. So in this case, the denominator, what's the denominator here?
8.
Yes.
So
So how will
8.
we get 1 here? 8 by 8, right?
Yes.
Yes. So when you have both the numbers, both the same numbers, then you get 1. So 8 by 8 will be 1. Okay. Now also, so if this is 8 by 8, what will this point G be? What is the point G?
8 by 7.
8 by 7,
8 by.
like this.
Yes, I think just like we did before.
Okay, then what will F be?
Uh, 6 by 8.
Okay, 6 by 8. So is point G 8 by 7 or 7 by 8? Which one?
7/8.
Yes, because we have to keep the denominator same, right? So 7 by 8. Now let's start from the beginning. So this will be, what will be point A?
1/8. I mean 8 by
Yes.
1.
No, no, no.
Oh, wait,
1 by
all
8.
right.
What did I say? Write the normal counting, but in the denominator, just put like the same number. So here it's 8. So your counting will go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just the denominator will be 8. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear? Okay. Now, can you tell which point is 3 by 8?
C.
Yes. Which point is 5 by 8?
E.
Yes. And which is 7 by 8?
G.
Yes. Okay. So now just open your book and you can write these numbers on the number line. Okay. There is the empty number line. Write 0, all of this, and write the answers here only.
What was the page number?
Give me 1 second. Let me plug in my charger. Okay.
Page
Page
number.
number. Give me
Is it page
one
number
second, Humaira.
102?
Page. No, I can like all the page numbers are like edited out. I cannot see a single page number. I cannot tell you the page number. That's why all the page numbers are cropped out. So it's like you have checkpoint 6A, right? So the page before checkpoint 6A.
Yes, it's page number 102.
Hmm. Okay. Just draw this very quickly.